Alright, ready? Death roll. Stall. Now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh wow. That's majestic. Let it dive.
It's really high.
Dive. Stall. Uh-oh. Oh no. No, bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back, Josh. Josh, where are you taking this thing? Oh my god, how, dude, that's the highest we've ever had this thing. Oh no, so go to the lake. The lake. The lake. Josh. What do I do? Josh, no. No. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Grab the ripstick.
Oh man. Alright.
What do we do?
Whoa, whoa.
I can't even see it on here.
Jesus. Oh my god. It's across the lake. Look at it. How the hell?
It's just going in the wind.
Oh, I'm cracked up. The most we can hope for is a safe landing on the lake.
It's still going.
Oh, dude, it's way over the lake.
There goes my airplane.
That's all the way on the other side of the neighborhood now.
Oh, I'm crying.
Guess what was we do airplane?
That's the highest we've ever gotten it. Alright, what time is it?
Dude, I started crying.
No.
Like, I have a tear coming out.
What time is it, Joey? What time is it?